My girl plays the flute and has done for years, but it's never been a serious matter, meaning she's not the type to practice at home at all. But now, in 2 weeks' time, she's got an audition to get into a music school, and all of a sudden, it's important she has a music stand to practice left, right, and centre. Instead of spending $25 on a music stand that has a 14-day lifespan, I took the opportunity to demonstrate some one-day cheap as shit build creativity. Let's get into it.
The practical functionality of these simple 6-shekel broomsticks is phenomenal. I once made a shoe rack of them, and at some time I built a cupboard for the shoes, so the shoe rack became obsolete. I just took this apart, and since I've been using it for various projects, every time you need a wooden pole, just use these super cheap broomsticks that cost next to nothing. Now, for the stand, I designed and printed 3 separate parts. This is the base of the stand. There's 3 legs that will be connected with a piece of the broomstick, and then we'll have a long body, which is again a broomstick, that ends with a neck that attaches to the broomstick and to the actual music notes. I recently realized that my vise has this tube holder. You see that? So it's much easier. Instead of catching it here and damaging the actual surface of the tube, you can just catch it like that. It's got a much better grip on it. That's pretty steady. It's very steady. I'm going to use some glue at the end once I've finished with the size and everything. In order to cut plexiglass, you need to be ruthless. I'm going to try for the first time ever to bend the plexiglass. It shouldn't be too much big of a deal. I'm going to clamp it in place on the table, heat it, and just bend it down with my hands, and hopefully it will just work. Time to bring out the bad boy. Kind of worked, see? And it came out all crooked. This side is much shorter than this side, and it cracked here. But apart from that, it's pretty good.
Once completing the build, I realised that I could have bought a $10 stand off AliExpress. Now, setting aside me secretly actually wanting to build a music stand, you still have those 2.5 weeks of lead time until you actually get what you paid for. So in hindsight, I would have done the same again. These small projects are great validation at how impressive 3D printing is at solving these everyday issues that we all encounter. I mean, this entire build took me a day in between everything else to design, print, cut, bend, and glue everything together. Let me know if you agree in the comments. And thank you. I'll see you on the next one.